Hello guys, welcome back to Lancaster Automart. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick walk around video of this 2019 69 plate Toyota Corolla XL. It's a 2 litre petrol hybrid CVT. It's finished in silver metallic paint, as you can see. Just going to be giving you a quick walk around video, showing you the car from a couple of different angles, pointing out some features that this car does come with as well. So to start off with, you've got the bi-LED headlights on the front. You've also got the nice gloss black styling, front parking sensors and fog lights as well. We've also got the 18-inch black and silver diamond cut alloy wheels, which are all in great condition. Got the body coloured door mirrors and door handles as well. Got the rear tinted glass on here too. The car comes with the intelligent parking pack with the park assist as well, which is a great feature to have on your car. You've also got LED tail lights on the back, rear fog lights, rear parking sensors and a reversing camera as well. The car does come with a 6-month warranty as standard, with the option to upgrade that to a 1 or 2 year policy at an additional cost. And the car will also go through the full mechanical prep process by our Volkswagen approved mechanics. I'll take you on to the interior. So on the interior, you've got the black cloth seats, you've got the Alcantara part just there, and then you do have the leather up the top. You've got the contrasting red stitching, you've got some nice looking sport seats in there as well. That's continued into the back. You've got ISOFIX points at the bottom of both rear seats. The centre part does fold down for a centre armrest as well. We've also got the black door cards with the red stitching, which is continued onto the dash. Got your nice big infotainment system with options on here such as DAB, FM and AM radio. There's also Bluetooth connection for your phone, music and calls on here as well, which you can also access on the screen once your phone is connected. You've also got the satellite navigation that is built in, which is a great feature to have on your car. And alongside that, you do also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which you can connect via. You can use the mirror link as well. You also do get the reversing camera, like I mentioned earlier, with the guidelines. That makes parking very, very easy. Now moving on down, you've got your dual zone climate controls just there, along with your heated front seats and some storage. You've got your automatic gearbox, as this is a petrol hybrid. You've got your sport mode just there. You do also have full EV mode, as you can see, and you've got your different driver modes, which include sport, normal and eco. You've got your electronic parking brake and brake hold just there, with 2 cup holders and an armrest to match the rest of the interior. Now onto the dash, as you can see, the car has covered 45,046 miles. You've also got the leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel in here as well. And you've got your volume controls, you've got your voice activation, and you have your call answering facilities just there. And then on the right, you've got your lane departure warning, you've got your front assist, adaptive cruise control and speed limiter, and then you do have your mode button as well, which allows you to swap modes and sources on the radio. You've also got automatic headlights and front and rear fog light controls, and then you've got the automatic rain sensing windscreen wipers on the right. Like I said, the car does come with the intelligent parking pack, so you do have the park assist as well, so that will help you parallel park and exit the parallel park space as well. You do also have your automatic headlights as well as your headlight leveler, and then you do have electronically adjustable folding door mirrors with electric windows all around in here as well. And that is just a really quick walk around video of this 2019 69 plate Toyota Corolla XL. So if you would like any more info, feel free to give us a call. You can find the full list of details below. If you want to give us a call, you can give us a call on the number below, or you can message us on our Facebook page, Lancaster Automart, and one of our sales team will be more than happy to provide you with any more info that you might need. And that's all for this one. Thank you very much. Bye for now.